Let's open all 8 cars from Hot Wheels Let's Race series. Let's go. So the first vehicle we're going to open is Hot Wheels High. It's a nice looking bus. Hot Wheels Racing Academy written. Side. Hot Wheels logo. Aerodisc wheels. It has 2 jet engines on the bottom of the bus. It looks cool in orange. Alright. The second vehicle we have is Quick Bite from Fast Foodie. Let's take a look at the Quick Bite. Milk and cookies. Yep. This ice cream truck has turned into a milk and cookies truck. We go together like milk and cookies. Yeah, Mouse will like that one. This truck looks cool. Alright. The third is a muscle car, and the new model of 2024 is Ravager ST. Oh, this was easy. Here's the Ravager ST. This muscle car looks very hot. You know, this is my favorite car of Hot Wheels 2024 series. So it looks awesome, hotter. This muscle car is very amazing with orange livery and black stripes. Alright. The fourth car we're going to open is Dior 3. This is Dior 3. Hey, it has the same Teku skin, just like Dior 2. You know, Dior 2 and Dior 3 are similar cars. There is a comparison between Dior 2 and Dior 3. It looks amazing. It's like brother and sister car. Yep. Alright. The fifth car we're going to open is Hoverstorm from Hot Wheels Dirt. Here's a hovercraft named the Hoverstorm. It has a number 10 on the hood and Hot Wheels graphics. V10 engine, 10 exhausts, and 2 turbine fans. This hovercraft car looks cool. Very cool. Alright, the sixth car we're going to open is a new model, Fast Foodie Sushi Tuner. Here's the Sushi Tuner. Yeah, there's a salmon fish stacked on a white rice. It's a pretty small car, but I love it. It looks so smooth. Yep. The seventh car we're going to open is Small Block. Here's the Small Block. It looks amazing. It feels like wood. Actually, this car is made of plastic, but it looks like a wooden car. Also has wooden wheels. It's amazing wooden muscle car. It looks amazing. Also has an exposed engine on the hood. Has 8 exhausts. Small block. This car looks amazing. And the last car we're going to open is Celero GT from Quarter Mile Heroes. I know this is used to be a treasure hunt from N-Case with rubber tires and a Spectra Flame purple paint. But this car looks very cool. Number 9 on the side and the hood. Spoiler. 3 exhausts on its behind. 2 sets of wheels. Aerodisc and RAL6. This supercar looks cool. Alright. So that's all the 8 cars from Hot Wheels Let's Race. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.